Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Vega Pedicure tool. First, prepare your feet by soaking them in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps soften the skin, making it easier to remove calluses. Always ensure your Vega tool is clean and sterilized before you begin to maintain hygiene and prevent any issues. Gather all your supplies, like a towel and moisturizer, for a smooth process. Now let's use the Vega tool. After soaking, gently pat your feet dry. Hold the tool firmly and lightly glide it over areas with calluses or rough skin. Use consistent, gentle strokes in one direction. Remember, the goal is to remove dead skin, not to scrub aggressively. Be careful not to apply too much pressure and never use it on sensitive or broken skin. Once you've finished using the tool, it's time for aftercare. Rinse your feet thoroughly with water to wash away any loosened dead skin. Then, apply a generous amount of your favorite moisturizing lotion or cream. This helps to hydrate your skin and keep your feet feeling soft and smooth. Don't forget to clean your Vega Pedicure tool immediately after use for its longevity and hygiene. To ensure your Vega Pedicure tool lasts, proper maintenance is key. Always store it in a dry, clean place to prevent rust or damage. Remember to replace the blades regularly, perhaps every few uses, to maintain its effectiveness and safety. For best results, incorporate this tool into your routine once every 2 to 3 weeks, keeping your feet consistently smooth and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.